Alicia, Herojo, Nada, Shine, and Two Boys Group. So, this day we will report about the crisis and disaster management. So, first is, what is crisis? So, crisis is derived from the Greek word murag. Crisis means to separate, which is the turning point decision in a process of an affair or series or a series of events. It is an unstable and dangerous condition, an impending abrupt change involving economic, military, political, police, societal, or personal affairs that is approaching emergency level. So ang crisis daw, dili na to ma-differentiate nga ang crisis ug ang disaster is na siya difference kay ang crisis is ano siya kanang murag man-made hazard siya nga nahitabo kanang either intentional or unintentional. Then crisis management, this is defined as the expert handling of crisis or emergency to reduce or eliminate danger or damage or to life, especially on the part of the government, the proper utilization of all available resources, and the formulation of policies and procedures to effectively deal with progressive sequence of events, which is the crisis, and the sudden or unforeseen state, which is the emergency. So, kanang crisis management, example ani is vehicle accident na hitabo sa road. So, ang crisis management na is kanang sa parts of government is naay mga first responder, which is ito na to mga barangay captain or naabay police nearby na nakakita, mao na sila ang mag-handle sa isa ka situation, ilahang mag-create sila og perimeter sa lugar kung asa nahitabo ang emergency or ang crisis. Then dito na lang mag-proceed sila sa step-by-step process para ma-achieve ang crisis management. Next is emergency. So, if ang crisis is derived from the Greek word crisis, which is separate, emergency on the other hand is from the Latin word, which is emergentia, which means steeping or plunging. Then, emergency is a sudden condition or state of affairs for an immediate action, sudden event that must be dealt immediately. So, kaning ang emergency daw, balikan na to si crisis. Ang crisis daw is impending. Padulungay pa lang. Kanang murag, ano siya ka lang, na ay maabot nga sa ka-crisis sa isa ka lugar. Well, ang emergency is kanang kailangan niyo siya o kanang nakay reactive planning nga i-utilize para ang emergency man is kanang sudden ba kanang bigla na gani kanang wala siya gi-expect sa isa ka lugar, sa isa ka tower, etc. Lastly, a disaster. So, disaster is an event that causes serious loss, destruction, hardship, unhappiness, or death. It is something that falls completely, especially in a way that it is distressing, embarrassing, or even laughable. A sudden, unforeseen, extraordinary event that is caused by man or nature, resulting to the widespread of death or injury, as well as serious loss or damage to property. So, ang disaster, dili daw ma-identify na ito nga ang disaster is pwede siya man-made disaster or natural. So, natural, mga flooding, mga volcanic eruption, etc. Then, mo na siya ang i-identify nga disaster nga dako siya og dako siya loss sa isa ka lugar, dili lang siya kaysa sa isa ka individual.
Next. So, good morning everyone. So, my topic is about disaster management. The systematic handling or dealing with a disaster from the initial stage until its termination stage using various tools or methods to minimize loss of life, damage to property, and enhance rehabilitation, designed to maintain control over disaster or emergency situations and to provide framework. So, for helping victims, so disaster management is one siya, process or systematic para sa pag-handle sa isa ka ng disaster events to minimize the loss of life, damage to property, and para mas ma-enhance pa ang rehabilitation after sa disaster. So, police emergency, tactical situation related to police works which requires special procedures to be used by people with special skills to neutralize whatever threat to public safety as save life and property. So, any police emergency is from the word itself, police. So, sa ano siya, wala siyang function sa police works which is pag-required siya kailangan ng mga special unit about sa police na kung sa ko ang events na na-occurred is dito mabutang ang mga perfect na fake na personal mismo. So, state of calamity, a condition involving mass casualty or major damages to property, disruption of means of livelihoods, loads and normal ways of life, occurrence of natural or human-induced hazard. So, this example na ni state of calamity is kanang naibagyo, which is kanang agan kayo numbers of casualty, tapos dagan kayo na damage na property. So, ganito siya masulat sa state of calamity. So, Executive Order 320, approved in March 20, 1988, National Peace and Order Council amended by PO number 773, merger reorganizing the Peace and Order Council. PD 1566, National Disaster Coordinating Council or NDCC, amended in RA 10121 or Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010 or May 10, 2010. NDCC, so National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRC.
Strengthening the Philippine Risk Reduction and Management System, providing for the National Risk Reduction and Management Framework, and institutionalizing the National Risk Reduction and Management Plan, appropriating funds therefore other purposes. So kanis na nakasabot isa na nga kaning dila sa strengthening the Philippine Risk Reduction and Management. Siya ang nag-provide sa kaning National Risk Reduction and Management. Siya ang naghahatag og funds o sa mga other purposes. Kaning EO number 137. July as the National Disaster Consciousness Month, NDMC. So, ano siya ang mga silent provision of RA 1012.1 National Disaster Coordinating Council to National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council of National Council. So, ano siya ang mga member sa organization of NDRRMC, NC, set of the MD, Chairperson, Secretary of the DILG, Vice Chairperson for Disaster Preparedness, Secretary of the DSWD, BC or Disaster Response, Secretary of the DOST, BC for Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, Director General of NEDA, BC for Disaster Rehabilitation and Recovery. Ano na sila ang mga members sa sa National Council. Kani sila ang grupo sa importante mo na sila sa kaliukan sa mga disaster. So, ano na makita ano siya pang-level 5. Kani siya ang national. Siyempre, di ba, kung naay mga heavy rain, mga warning, ang text sa tuwa, NDRRMC, mag-aware sa tuwa, kung unsa ka usog ang hangin, ang mga butay na bagyo, muna siya ang magpa-aware sa tuwa kung magitas na bata. So, may kadua, regional, DRMC, muna siya ang nag-apatin sa tuwa, sa pang regional ba? Dili lang kay kanin mo NDRRMC national naman sa kanin regional is sa kuha na ba tayo sa Tabaw kana. Kuha na sa kuha na sa kuha na sa community na daw ano ba? Kani provincial, NDRRMC, city municipal kani Jose City, Davao City ana kani barangay DRRMC. Kung ano lang kanang mga light nga baha or ulan sa tuwa ng barangay, mo na din siya ang mag-provide sa tuwa rescue kani nga once sa tuwa barangay. Thank you.
So, good morning everyone. So, Junior, continue sa reporting. So, ang public crisis involves more than one person or family. It is a form of crisis that is tantamount to public emergency or police emergency. So, ang example na sa public crisis, mo siya ang mga environment or terrorist or COVID. Mga na atong nasatian dito sa atong bansa or something na in other region. So, ang individual crisis is a feeling that arises when a person faces unpleasant situations such as frustrations and conflicts. So, ang individual crisis daw, ano siya ang individual that arises when a person faces unpleasant. Ano siya ang mga negative traits atau mga nangigitan ba? Like for example, sa mga kinahanin mong kaugalingon na kay problema. Ano siya? Mga problema, wala kay bayad tuition or something na wala kay kanang kwarta. Ano siya ang individual crisis? So, types of physical and emotional crisis. We have three types of physical and emotional crisis. So, ang number one is emotional crisis. Individual is affected by negative feelings like emotional disturbance, fear, or etc. etc. So, ano siya ang ma-affect sa mga bana? Kanang ma-affect kung sa mga kanang nakay problema, kanang for example na sa Ditrix, kanang nakay problema gamay, something nga nagod, kanang walay kwarta, kanang walay makaon, kanang ibulagan sa kuyab. So kanang ma-affect siya mga negative na situation ba, kanang moral siya. So ang social crisis is lack of interest, confidence, and social skills. So ang social crisis dahil may go na siya sa mga tao na dili makasabay sa isa ka tao or confidence kanang for example kanang mga amigo ka ba na wala kay confidence do na mga amigo nimo siya, then kanang wala kay meaningful ba or harmonious relationship kanang dahil ra ka masakitan. Then moral crisis, irrational or distorted concepts of what is right and wrong, lack of moral values and integrity of the person. So ang moral crisis mo siya ang kanagong kabalo kanang wala ka kabalo ba kung sa mga mali nimong ginabuhat, kanang mali nimo kanang musod ka sa isa ka relationship tapos dili ka niya mahal ngana ba. So wala ka ang right and wrong. Ayok. Next. So psychosexual crisis. So assume one's sexual and identity or man or woman. Ano siya ang mga manyatis. To assume one's sexual and identity as man or woman. Ano siya ang mga psychosexual crisis. Kanagong like mga LGBTQ or something na kanang wala malibog ka sa imong gender ba, babae ba ka or lalaki, for example na babae ka nya feeling nimo lalaki ka ba nga nagod tomboy or something na nga na. Then objective of crisis management, we have 4 types of crisis management: resolved without further incidents, safety of all participants, 3 apprehension of all perpetrators, 4 accomplish the task within the framework of current community standards. So, ang makadiscuss ulit si Shai. Thank you. Yes.
So next, next report. Purpose of crisis management: set the constraint policies and general procedure of handling crisis situation, guides and assist the law enforcers in formulation of crisis management contingency plans. So, purpose of crisis management, mo yung sa purpose sa management, crisis management, kabalo siya mo handle, ana nga situation. If maabot nga situation yung nana, if kabalo ka sa purpose sa crisis management. For example, nakay mga learnings experience about ng crisis. So, kabalo ka mo handle ana nga situation. So, basis of crisis management or B, proactive phase. Duwa ni siya kaklase, proactive phase of proactive phase o reactive phase. Unsay kalayan ni reactive phase kay proactive phase. Si proactive phase advanced planning, organizing and coordinating and control in response to anticipated future crisis occurring to predict or prevent. Si mo niya main niya to predict or prevent. Wala pa nahitabo ang situation, na siya plano, na siya prediction kung saan niya pag-prevent o kung saan mga take niya nga mga action na to prevent that crisis or emergencies occurring. So, next step, proactive phase na literacy prediction. So, prediction pertaining of likelihood or crisis occurring either natural or man-made through the continuous assessment or all possible traits. Prediction mura ka ng future panglantaw ang situation like gina-predict na nimo possible nga mahitabo na mga traits dra or mga dangerous dra possible nga maka-cause of emergency or crisis kanang unsay mga panglantaw nimo. So prevention involves the institution of passive and active security measures as well as the remedy or solution of the establishment factors of security flow leading to the such crisis emergencies. So prevention, kaya mo na yung buhaton, i-take yung mga action para ma-prevent or ma-lesser ang accident or ma-lesser yung mga accident na mahitabo or mga damages nga possible mahitabo ana nga situation or ana nga emergencies. So, next. Kay preparation. Sa preparation na ay planning, organizing, training, stockpiling of equipment and supplies needed for such crisis emergencies. So si planning, dra ma-involve mo ang mga strategies, mga buhaton, kanang stage, kanang planning, pagplano. Next kay organizing. Kay gina-organize din mo ang mga member or mga subordinates. This kay kay training. Kailangan kay knowledge kay training na gina-take to take that emergencies. Like kanang mga volunteer na sila mga training na ginaagian before sila mo perform that their duties like pag-rescue. Kailangan nila mga training na ginasudlan. So, stockpiling of equipment and supplies needed for such crisis emergencies. So, automatic naman, kailangan yung mga supply, mga equipment, dahil kumanto ka sa isa ka place or emergencies na wala kayo dala, yung sarili lang. Saka Superman. So, next, reactive phase. When crisis occurs, despite the proactive efforts, the organization concerned must be prepared to perform the crisis management in accordance with their plan. So, si reactive phase, pag diya siya mo react kung nahitabo na ang crisis or emergencies. Diya niya ikiyahang crisis management, diya niya handle ang situation kung nahitabo na. Performance, execution or implementation of any contingency plans when a crisis or emergencies occurs brought about by the disaster. It's the action stage, the implementation of the CM's contingency. Performance, diri ang usay gina-take na action sa usa ka tao to handle that emergency situation or crisis situation. So next kay objective to ensure high probability of success and minimize question the adverse effect of the crisis incident. speedy rehabilitation or return to normalcy. So ang objective diyan ang panglantaw niya ba nga kanang murag kanang nanagatanan yang tumong or objectives niya unsa yang kanang i-apply nga buhaton niya kanang situation sa objectives niya to achieve that success operation or procedures for that crisis or emergency situation. Yes. Salamat.